Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I've got something really lovely, a little bit about what YouTube is all about, and that's making friends, and just all these online friendships you get through YouTube and Instagram. So this morning there was a knock at the door and I was having a little bit of a cheeky lie-in because I had a later start. So I ran down, not expecting this, and there was a box wrapped up. And so I just thought, oh, I was trying to work out what subscription box was coming, because obviously it's the start of the month. So I opened it up and I was greeted with this. And I thought, oh, this looks lovely. Looks very nice. And then I'm thinking, oh, it's wrapped in Christmas paper. And then it says on here, thank you, Marcia, which is me. And and a box and a card and a letter. So I've opened the card and I've left everything else wrapped up so I could get home tonight just to share it with you. So let me just read this to you. I've checked that it's okay to share this, and it is. So it just says, Marcia, sending happy wishes for Christmas and the New Year. All the best. May all your dreams come true. And it just says, Marcia, just a gift to thank you for all your help and support, and for always being here for advice with my YouTube channel. I have sent you and Lightning Lass my one-off Christmas box. Merry Christmas to you and your family, Museum Girl 135. So I am just so touched. I can't believe that she's sent me something, because number one, it's just like totally unexpected and not even necessary. But yeah, what a surprise. And I think we just all help each other out, and it's actually so scary starting up a YouTube channel. And in fact, Lightning Lass is also one of my beautiful YouTube buddies, and she filmed a video, she's uploaded a video today all about starting a channel and what to expect and tips and advice and things. So actually I'm going to link that up here. I never know which side here. I'm going to link that up here, so go and have a look at that, because it's fab. And she speaks, her journey, her YouTube journey is very much like mine. So yeah, so Museum Girl, I'm going to link her channel down below. I'll also link Lightning Lass's channel down below. So do go over and have a look at Museum Girl. She does unboxings and reviews and shopping, and she's just so lovely. I think she may be even more beauty obsessed than I am. She seems to have hundreds of boxes, and I honestly just wish her every success on her journey. So thank you Angela, you're doing absolutely fab. So I'm going to open it up. So in this letter here, it just says, look, it's like a proper beauty box. So it says, Happy Christmas Beauty Box. Dear Marcia, as a way of thanks from Beauty Box Santa for all your help and support, you have been sent a Happy Christmas Beauty Box. I'm so excited. Santa has said she will not be offended if you do not use, or if you want to pass any items on in this one-off box you have received. The box is for some Christmas fun, and Santa says she herself has not tried some of these items. She can recommend the gingerbread drink and, of course, the Thornton's chocolates. So, and then a little bit of a rundown about what's in the box. So I'm going to just, I'll read this out as we get to it. I'm just so touched. Thank you so much. This is so kind. I'm just so excited. So I'm going to open this first of all. And it's so sweet. Look, it says, oh, thank you. And I am suspecting that she's made this herself, because I know she's a bit of a crafty girl like I am. And you recognise when something's been handmade with love. This is not bought. Right, let's get in. Oh, can't believe this. Thank you. So I'm assuming I'd have to wait till Christmas because I'm opening it now. So let's get in here. What have we got? Ooh. Oh, my husband's emptied the bin. I've got an empty bin. He's good. So this is the Hat and Bag Beauty Bible. The ultimate guide to the best beauty products tried and tested by thousands of women. Oh my gosh, thank you. Wow, this is amazing. So it's got all sorts of things from like body self tanners, oil blotting sheets, eye makeup removers. This is amazing. Thank you. I've never seen anything like this before. Wow. Oh, anti-aging eye treatment. That's what I need. Oh my goodness. Thank you. This is fab. I will definitely be flicking through that. Right then. Onto the main event, this box. And I love this box. I'm going to keep this box and I'm going to use this from now on for my cash or stash unboxings. So yes, Museum 135. I was going to say, I don't know what number I was going to say to you then. I'm going to use your box, so thank you. Every time I do it, there'll be a little bit of you with me in my video. So let's get opened up. And look at that, it's so pretty. It's all little holly leaves. Right then, so here we are inside. So first thing I've got, oh Lord, I can feel a tutorial coming on. I have got some Mink 3D hair lashes. Look at those bad boys. So it says false eyelashes, a bit of fun. She knows that it is something you may not have tried or do not use often. What are you trying to say about my short stubby lashes? So I am definitely going to do a video of me having a nervous breakdown trying to put these bad boys on. They are absolute, look at them. They are mad. Look at those lashes. I hope I can put them on properly because they're outstanding. They're amazing. Thank you. You're right, I don't use them, but I want to. I really want to. So next thing we've got is the Beauty Bible book, which is wrapped up for me, and it says something to flick through on these cold winter nights. And it's definitely something you just pick up, have a flick and put down, and especially because I'm trying to get through all my products, so it's absolutely perfect. I can do a little bit of reading up about them. Next thing we've got in here is, I'm going to try and do it in order to make it easy. Look, so it's a Nescafe gingerbread. Is it like a latte? So it says a warm drink, gingerbread to help with the Christmas mood. Oh, that is such a great thing to do. I can't wait. I'm going to do that on one of my next videos when I'm filming. I'll have my cuppa with me, and I might need to go out and buy a Christmas mug to drink it in. So that's what I'm going to do. Can't wait to try it because I'm really boring. I'm now onto Yorkshire Gold tea bags, which are so much nicer than just Yorkshire tea, and hot chocolate and vanilla lattes. So next thing I've got, ooh, yes, Thornton's mint truffle, and it says here chocolate Thornton mint, because when we have a Christmas hot drink, we need some chocolate. The Christmas elves have said, you are hoping to have lost the stone before Christmas. She does hope that you manage that. Okay, spoiler alert. No chance. But, you know, I'm not any heavier, so that's a success. I am going on holiday. So I've booked a holiday. Me and my husband have... it's a long way off his recovery yet, but he's on the mend since his accident, and we've booked a holiday for February. I think it's February the 9th we go. So I want to stone off for February. I'm just moving the goalpost a bit further out, giving myself more time. Let's get Christmas out of the way and enjoy ourselves. So I'm really going to enjoy this guilt-free, because do you know what? Life's for living. Don't make yourself miserable by a number on the scales. That's my motto. But try. You can still try. So what have we got here? We've got I don't know where I'm looking. Tell you what, let me just pick something out. Oh, here, I was right. So it says a small blusher brush to keep in your handbag so you can always have rosy cheeks. I've always got rosy cheeks anyway, because I'm just happy and I talk a lot. And let's have a look. This looks really nice. So this is an ice blue kabuki brush. Looks nice. Let's have a look at this. How do I get in? I can't get in it. Let's get in. Oh, look at this. So it's already in its little package. Oh, that's cool. Look. Well, that feels lovely. And then you just pack it away. Oh, that is so good. Thank you. Oh, I look very posh now, won't I, with that in my bag. Next thing I've got, do you know what? I'm really happy to have this. I was about to get one on Latest in Beauty, and it is a pocket mirror, but look at it. So it says a compacted mirror, so like Alice, you can always look in the looking glass and sort out that blusher. Do I have bad blush? Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me just get this out. Look at this. I absolutely love this box so much. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Look, hello. You can see my untidy room. And then on it says, have I gone mad? I'm afraid so. You're completely bonkers. But I'll tell you a secret. All the best people are. Do you know what? I actually love that. Thank you. Oh, I don't know why I'm upset. Thank you. This is such a lovely thought, honestly. I'm really, really touched that you've done this. Oh, I'm being silly. Anyway, moving on, because I'm just being a bit silly. Oh, do you know what? Never ever underestimate people's kindness. It's so important in life to have lovely people around you, so thank you. Next thing is, I think this is, so it's a lip balm, just because it looked pretty, and it is. Look, it's all holographic. Let's see inside it. Oh, don't know why I'm crying. Do you know, I do know it's because I've had such a horrid year, and there's been so many lovely people. And see, YouTube isn't always horrid. It's actually, it can be a really special place if you allow it to be. So yeah, thank you to everybody. Honestly, you don't know all your comments and everything how much they mean. Can't get in. Right, let me. Oh, that is a little bit posh and swanky for my normal like little lip balms. Oh, right, let's have a look here. Oh, oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, there's a tiny flower. Look at that. I don't want to use it, it's too pretty. That is so beautiful. That is real. I wonder what happens when you get down to the flower, if it just oh, I don't want to get down to it. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna have to have a little think about when to use that, but thank you so much. How cute is that? It looks, I just love that. Thank you. Thank you. Right, and then we've got a juicy face mask. So it says a blueberry face mask to pamper yourself over the holidays. I just feel so incredibly lucky. So at the end it just says, finally, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for 2019. Good luck in everything you do. I'm really hoping that 2019 is a really good year, but if it isn't, I know I've got all of you guys here as well, so I'm an emotional creature. I love kindness and I like nice people, so thank you very much, Museum Girl 135. You are awesome. I'm very appreciative, and you really didn't need to send me this, because just having genuine people who are lovely and support me, you know, as well, means a lot and is worth so much. And I will help anybody if I can. So I'm really thankful that I was able to help you with your YouTube journey. So thank you very much, and I can't wait to try all this. And you're not helping me with my ever-expanding stash situation. So I've got more stuff to use, which is a great problem to have. So thank you so much. So thank you for your support, and thank you to all of you for watching. And I'm way behind with my calendar unboxings, but I don't care. I'll be back, and in a few days when I get myself together. But I just really wanted to share this unboxing with you all tonight, because it just meant so much. So thank you everybody again. Thank you, Museum Girl, and don't forget to check out her channel and give her some love and support, because she's an absolutely beautiful person. Bye guys.